Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has identified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.93. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.93%. This results in an average return of 0.99% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $326.51 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline, potentially indicating the first signs of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 13.7% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between negative 41.71% and negative 11.32%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts an anticipated change of 80.63%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 39.98% to 228.91% over the coming year. In actual terms, this would place the future price within the range of $444.81 to $1,045.14. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for MicroStrategy Incorporated Stock Price After Monday Trading. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 0.177% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of April, 2025. It rose from $317.20 to $317.76. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.12%, reaching a low of $309 and a high of $330.99. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 8.23% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 16 million shares changed hands for approximately $5.08 billion over the past 52 weeks. The highest price of the stock reached $543, while the lowest price was $101. Currently, the price stands at 41.48% or $225.24, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, now known as Strategy Incorporated, is currently making headlines amidst notable market movements. The company is under investigation by multiple law firms, including Pomerantz and Bronstein, Gewurz and Grossman, for potential claims on behalf of investors. This legal scrutiny could raise concerns among shareholders and negatively impact investor sentiment in the short term. On a more positive note, MicroStrategy has recently been highlighted as one of the stocks with the highest potential for substantial gains. According to Zacks research chief, MSTR is among the top picks that could see a doubling in value within the coming months, which could attract new investors seeking growth opportunities. Furthermore, the company has been demonstrating resilience amidst broader market volatility, recently outperforming Bitcoin this year, even as Bitcoin's price hovers below $85,000. This positions MicroStrategy as a unique player in the market, given its significant Bitcoin holdings, which serve as both an asset and a potential risk. In the long term, how these factors play out will depend on the resolution of ongoing investigations and the company's ability to capitalize on its Bitcoin strategies, along with broader market sentiment. If investor confidence remains steady or increases due to potential growth, the stock price could benefit significantly. However, legal challenges may create headwinds that impact stability in the near future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of April 2025, it was reported that Monex assigned MSTR a sell rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January 2025, Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November 2024, BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October 2024, BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $305.87 and $293.84. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 33.54%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $296.86 and $250.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $296.86. If this support is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $250.51 and $239.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $21.99 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.12%. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.11%. Before we explore potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative 2.33 cents. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $335.72. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $296.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Xiao Weiming, who bought and sold 50,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 11.611. In total, insiders purchased 434,854 shares and sold 570,458 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $305.43, representing a decline of 3.88%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Currently, there is a buy signal detected from a pivot bottom established 8 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open higher by $1.49 and begin trading at $319.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.